chest. Come fly with me, angel. Let our story begin. I wanna feel every little bit of your sunburned skin. I just found out I got a new desire. You're telling me I cannot get any higher. But baby, I know when my love-searching soul is on fire. So won't you come closer? You know it's alright. Won't you come closer, baby? Stay with me tonight. We're in this crazy, hazy land. Let's get away from this bar. Baby, take my hand. We don't have to walk that far to get to my home place. I wanna show you something more. Let's reach out for a place where we've never been before. Don't need to hesitate, 'cause it's getting late. The night is warm and sweet. We're soaking from the heat. Let's go, just you and me. We can set us free tonight. So won't you come closer? You know it's alright. Won't you come closer, baby? Stay with me tonight. So won't you come closer? You know it's alright. Won't you come closer, baby? Yeah. Stay with me tonight.
I didn't know love could ever feel like this. I didn't know body shivers from a kiss. Now I know it's been so very long. 'Cause it's been forever since I felt anything. I didn't know so watch out, my love gets
shotgun. You gotta be my someone.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell notification, and you will be one of the first to watch the video as soon as I drop. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. See you later.